We realized in Europe 4 or 5 years ago that Europe is the most import-dependent part of the world when it comes to metals and minerals. So we teamed together to really try to build a project where we could target geology in 3 dimensions and maybe trying to look at the topmost 2-3 kilometers of the crust. And we decided to do this in the Skellefte area, where Boliden is a very active mining company.
So we concentrated on modeling structures in the district to be able to reconstruct the geological history, the 4D aspect in our modeling. We don't use only geological data, but we use geophysical data and a very wide range of data. And the incorporation of all this data gives really good constraints on the models. So we're importing our data into this modeling software and construct 3D models out of that. We can really display everything from very small scale to very big scale to get a very good overview.
In Boliden we have a long history for developing our own methods. We have developed over 20 methods during about 100 years. The most method we use is ground EM. We do it on a field. We have an area, let's say 1 to 2 kilometers big square, where we relay out a loop electric cable where alternating current is running around the cable, and that produces electromagnetic field, and they measure the changes in the electromagnetic field. After our survey technicians have done the surveying, they send the data to our geodata department. They process it and send it forward to me. And what I'm doing, I will do some more filtering and calculations and present these beautiful colored maps.
The Vinnova and ProMine project actually gives us the opportunity to work on a more regional scale. And this also helps us to understand the geology and the way that mineralization associates to geological structures, for example. And in the end, this will help us also to target new areas.
With the help of this project, we've started to build 3D models of our mining areas. So that's a very positive outcome.
We're doing this for industry. We want the industry to be able to explore at depth and target deeper deposits. We want this data to be used by industry as soon as possible, as soon as we get results.
We see new potential areas for exploration from this project, and our exploitation plans for this is to do more exploration in these areas. In the end of the day here, exploration is a business and not a science.
There are many parts of Europe where there is a bright future for mining, and a bright future for mining to provide work opportunities, that create wealth in the local regions and so forth. We are not there yet because there are challenges and there are image issues with mining in many parts of Europe. I think if we can cope with those image issues, then I think we have a bright future in mining in Europe.